Unlocking the power of language. Mastering, hit a powerful smash. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that combines both physical activity and the strength of expression. Hit a powerful smash. This phrase is not just about language. It's about the energy and impact behind the words. Let's dive into what makes this phrase so powerful and how you can use it in various contexts. Hit a powerful smash is a dynamic expression that originates from the world of sports, particularly badminton and tennis. To hit means to strike or impact something with force. A smash is a strong, downward stroke that sends the ball or shuttlecock speeding over the net to the opponent's side, making it hard to return. Together, hit a powerful smash describes an action that is executed with a lot of strength and precision, aiming to win a point with authority. 1. Hit. At its core, hit is a versatile verb used to describe coming into contact with something with force. In our phrase, it serves as the action word, or verb, setting the stage for the intensity of the smash. 2. Powerful. This adjective amplifies the verb, hit, by adding a layer of intensity and force. It tells us that the action is not just any regular hit, but one that is executed with significant power. 3. Smash. As a noun, smash here refers to a specific technique in sports that involves a powerful overhead hit. It's the culmination of skill, timing, and power, delivering a decisive blow in the game. While hit a powerful smash is rooted in sports, it's also a great metaphor in everyday language to describe executing any action with determination and force. For example, overcoming a challenge with great effort or achieving a goal with exceptional skill and power can be likened to hitting a powerful smash. It embodies the essence of putting your all into an endeavor and emerging victorious. Hit a powerful smash is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful expression of action, strength, and achievement. Whether you're on the court aiming for that game-winning point or facing life's challenges head-on, remembering the essence of this phrase can inspire you to act with force and precision. We hope this video has illuminated the power behind these words and how you can apply them both in language and in life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.